Hello student, good morning. Today we will study remain part of the chapter number 4, Einstein at school. So in the first part we had studied that Einstein did not like to study in Munich. Is it? He wanted a certificate from the doctor. डॉक्टर किसका होना चाहिए? One who is specialized in nerves, okay? And here in the school, he did not like to study especially history. He was interested in physics and mathematics. He asked his friend Yuri कि कोई डॉक्टर ऐसा होगा जो सर्टिफिकेट उसको दे, right? So he wanted a certificate from the school in which it refers that he has a nerves problem and he needed some rest, right? तो इस तरह से कोई डॉक्टर उसको क्यों लिख कर देगा? बट ही वॉज श्योर दैट इफ ही विल स्टे मोर देयर इन दैट स्कूल or in Munich, definitely he will suffer from such kind of nerves problem. Okay, so his friend also found a doctor for him and there was an appointment next day. यहाँ पर हमने पढ़ा था I have an appointment for you for tomorrow evening. Yuri said. So Yuri had said Einstein that he had an appointment next day. Okay, and the name of doctor is Dr. Ernest Well. Dr. Ernest Well, is he a specialist in nervous troubles? Asked Albert. So Albert asked Yuri कि जो ये डॉक्टर है डॉक्टर अर्नेस्ट वेल, is he a specialist in nervous troubles? So to which Yuri replied, not exactly. Yuri admitted. Admitted means agreed. Because as a matter of fact, he only qualified as a doctor last week. Okay, so Dr. Ernest Well qualified as a doctor last week. You may even be his first patient. So Yuri also had said that Einstein may be his first patient. You knew him as a student then? सो अभी लास्ट वीक ही तो क्वालिफाई हुए हैं. तो आइंस्टाइन ने एक और क्वेश्चन पूछा यूरी को, यू न्यू हिम एज ए स्टूडेंट, कि तुम क्या उसको एज ए स्टूडेंट जानते थे? आई हैव नोन अर्नेस्ट फॉर ईयर्स. Yuri hesitated for a few moments. So here Yuri hesitated for few moments and he had also said that he had known him for years. He is not a fool. He warned Albert. So Yuri warned Albert that Dr. Ernest Well is not a fool doctor. क्या वो पागल नहीं है कि वो ऐसे ही उसको सर्टिफिकेट दे देंगे या फिर उसको कोई उसकी वो जांच नहीं कर पाएंगे. What do you mean? अर्नेस्ट ने कहा, सॉरी आइंस्टाइन ने इनसे पूछा, what do you mean? Don't try to pull the wool over his eyes. Pull the wool over eyes, it means that cheat or deceive. किसी को मूर्ख बनाना या किसी को धोखा देना. That's all. Be frank with him, but don't pretend you have got what you haven't. Okay, so here Yuri warned Einstein, don't pretend. ढोंग करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. You have got what you haven't. कि तुझे जो हुआ नहीं है और तू बताने की कोशिश कर रहा है. ओके, जो नर्व्स प्रॉब्लम है नहीं और बताने की कोशिश करेगा तो वो तुझे पकड़ लेगा कि उसको वो झूठ जो है उसके सामने आ जाएगा. Note that you would deceive anyone. Yuri added, you are the world's worst liar. Okay, if you will catch, then you will be prove that you are world's worst liar, कि तुम बहुत ही बुरे मतलब झूठ बोलने वाले हो. Albert spent the next day wondering what to tell the doctor. So next day he was thinking, wondering means सोचते रहना, what to tell the doctor, as he had an appointment that evening. When the time arrived for his appointment, he had worried over it so much that he really was quite nervous. And when the time arrived, the time arrived for an appointment with the doctor, and at this time he was really worried and he was quite suffering from the नर्व्स प्रॉब्लम कि वाकई में उसको वो थोड़ा रियली ऐसा लगने लगा कि ही वॉज क्वाइट नर्वस. क्वाइट यहाँ पर क्वाइट मतलब लिटिल बिट नहीं है, क्वाइट मीन्स टोटली. सो आइंस्टाइन फेल्ट दैट ही वॉज टोटली नर्वस. I don't really know how to describe my trouble, Dr. Weil. He began. So, the appointment time arrived. He went to Dr. Weil, and when he went there, he said that he began, means started, that he didn't know really how to describe his problem. Don't try, said the young doctor with a friendly smile. Yuri has already given me a history of the case. So, doctor had said that there is no need to give any declaration or any जो भी कहते कि कोई भी इतना explain करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. No need to describe anything because Yuri had already told him about this case. Oh, what did he say? Einstein asked. कि यूरी ने क्या कहा है? Only that you want me to think you have had a nervous breakdown and say that you mustn't go back to that school. Whatever the problem is there, that Einstein did not want to go to that school, and that is why he need a certificate from the doctor that shows that Einstein has nervous breakdown. Oh dear, Albert's face fell. Albert's face fell means he became disappointed. Okay, he became sad. He became unhappy. He shouldn't have told you that. Einstein thought that Yuri should not have told the doctor कि उसको ये प्रॉब्लम है, वो बतानी नहीं चाहिए थी कि उसको वाकई में ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, फिर भी उसको सर्टिफिकेट की वजह से सर्टिफिकेट के लिए वो डॉक्टर के पास आए हैं. Why not? Isn't it true? Then डॉक्टर ने कहा कि क्यों नहीं, क्या वो सही नहीं है? Yes, that's the trouble. Now you will say there is nothing wrong with me and you will tell me to go back to school. So Einstein had said that it was the fact that he needed only a certificate from the doctor. Now doctor will tell that there is no problem and he will send him without the certificate, and he will also say that it is better for him to go to school. Don't be too sure of that, said the doctor. As a matter of fact, I am pretty sure you are in nervous state about that school. Okay, so doctor also agreed that Einstein had a serious problem, कि उसको वाकई में कोई प्रॉब्लम है, कि ही डजंट वांट गो टू स्कूल, कि वो स्कूल नहीं जाना चाहते. इट मीन्स दैट ही हैड नर्वस स्टेट अबाउट दैट स्कूल. But I haven't told you anything about it, said Albert, wide-eyed. How can you know that? आइंस्टाइन ने तो कहा कि मैंने तो आपको ऐसा कुछ बताया ही नहीं है, तो आपने कैसे जान पाया कि सच में ही मुझे he had also serious and nervous about that school? Because you wouldn't have come to see me about this if you hadn't been pretty close to a nervous breakdown. That's why. Now, said the doctor briskly, if I certify that you have had a nervous breakdown and mustn't stay away from school for a while, what will you do? क्या करोगे आप? Okay, so doctor had said that Einstein had a really nervous breakdown about that school, और इसीलिए वो उसके पास आए हैं. Okay, now doctor also asked, what will you do? क्या करोगे तुम? I will go to Italy, said Albert, to Milan, where my parents are. So Einstein had said the doctor that he will go to Milan, जहाँ पर उसके parents है, where his parents are. And what will you do there? Doctor asked. I will try to get into an Italian college or institute. He will try there in another institute, which is in Italy, an Italian college or institute. How can you without a diploma? So he was there in Milan. मुनीच में जो था वो डिप्लोमा के लिए था. तो फिर डिप्लोमा विदाउट डिप्लोमा व्हाट विल ही डू इन इटली? ओके, इटाली में क्या करेगा वो? डिप्लोमा तो होगी नहीं. It's I will ask my mathematics teacher to give me something about my work and perhaps that will be enough. तो वो कहते कि वो उसके मैथमेटिक्स के टीचर को कुछ कहेंगे कि उसके लिए वो कुछ ना कुछ उसके लिए अरेंज करेंगे. I have learnt all the maths they teach at school and a bit more, as he was good in mathematics. So whatever the teacher had taught, it was clear to him. Okay, सब कुछ उसको आता था. Even bit more, कुछ ज़्यादा भी उसको मैथमेटिक्स आता था. He added when Dr. Weil looked doubtful. Okay, so whatever had spoken by Einstein, Dr. Weil looked doubtful. वो थोड़े डाउटफुल दिख रहे थे. Well, it's up to you. अब ये आपके पर है. He said. He means doctor. I doubt if it will come off, but I can see you are not doing yourself or anyone else much good by staying here. How long would you like me to say you should stay away from school? Would 6 months be all right? So doctor said that it's up to you. मतलब आपके पर है. And he also asked Einstein that how long or how much time he want to stay away from the school. कि कितने टाइम तक वो स्कूल से दूर रहना चाहते हैं. मीन्स एंड ऑल्सो ही आज दैट 6 months विल बी ऑल राइट. सामने से वही पूछ लेते हैं क्या 6 month का कर दूँ तो ऑल राइट रहेगा आपके लिए? दिस इज़ वेरी काइंड ऑफ यू, आइंस्टाइन रिप्लाइड. It is nothing. I have only just stopped being a student myself, so I know how you feel. Here you are. Dr. Weil handed him the certificate and the best of luck. Okay, so Dr. Weil also given him a certificate in which he described that Einstein need 6 months break from the study. Okay. How much? Einstein asked about the fees. Nothing. If you have anything to spare, invite Yuri to meal. Doctor replied कि if he had spare money, he has to invite Yuri for a meal. To a meal means भोजन के लिए यूरी को बुला देना. No need to give him. He is a good friend of mine and yours too. So, Yuri is a friend of Dr. Weil as well as Einstein's, I think. Albert had no money to spare. Actually, Albert had no money to spare, but he pretended. उसको ढोंग करना पड़ेगा कि he had and took Yuri out to supper. कि उसको supper, it means that evening dinner. Okay, dinner जो होता है शाम को उसको dinner कहते हैं, right? And another word is supper. तो उसको pretend करना पड़ेगा कि yes, उसको वो supper के लिए लेकर जाएगा. Isn't it wonderful? He said after showing Yuri the certificate. So Einstein showing the certificate to Yuri and said that, isn't it wonderful? Yes, it's fine, Yuri agreed. 6 months is a good period. This way you will not actually be leaving the school, so if the worst comes to the worst, you will be able to come back and carry on for your diploma. So in this way it was a 6-month period. So during this time he can get recover, right? He can be recovered from the nervous trouble and he can start his diploma. I will never go back to that place, Albert assured him. When Yuri had said that after 6 months he can start the diploma, but here Einstein had said that he will never go back to that place. To that place means that school. I am going to take this certificate to the head teacher tomorrow, and that will be the end of it. So Einstein had said that he will show this certificate to the head teacher and it will be the end of it. End of it means end of end to that school. Don't forget to get a reference in writing from your mathematics teacher first, Yuri reminded him. So Yuri also reminded Einstein that he has to take reference later from mathematics teacher. Mr. Koch willingly gave Albert the reference he wanted. So here he was sure that Albert is mathematics Mr. Koch is Albert's मैथमेटिक्स टीचर एंड विलिंगली मतलब वो होपफुली या फिर उसको अपनी इच्छा से उसको वो दे देंगे रेफरेंस लेटर. इफ़ आई से आई कांट टीच यू एनी मोर एंड प्रोबेबली यू विल सून बी एबल टू टीच मी, विल दैट बी ऑल राइट, ही आस्क्ड. ही कौन है? मैथमेटिक्स टीचर. इफ़ आई से आई कैन नॉट टीच यू एनी मोर. अब मैथमेटिक्स टीचर जो है वो कहते कि उसने भी आइंस्टाइन से कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखा है. दैट्स सेइंग टू मच सर, एल्बर्ट सेड. तो एल्बर्ट कहते नहीं सर ये तो कुछ ज़्यादा हो रहा है कि मैंने क्या आपको पढ़ाया. ओके तो एल्बर्ट से जो उसके टीचर जो थे मैथमेटिक्स टीचर ऑल्सो इम्प्रेस्ड. ऑब्वियसली हमको पता है कि एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन जो है वो ही वॉज गुड इन मैथमेटिक्स एंड फिजिक्स, इज इट? It's only the truth, but all right, I will put it more seriously. It was still a glowing reference, and Mr. Koch made the point that Albert was ready immediately to enter a college or institute for the study of higher mathematics, and he got the reference from Mr. Koch, and it was showing that he can study द हायर मैथमेटिक्स. मतलब हायर मैथमेटिक्स के लिए वो कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूट में वो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट रेफरेंस ही कैन गेट द एंट्री, राइट, इमीडिएटली टू एंटर अ कॉलेज और इंस्टीट्यूट के कोई कॉलेज और इंस्टीट्यूट में ही कैन गेट द इमीडिएटली एंट्री. ऐसा रेफरेंस में वो बता रहे थे. आई एम सॉरी यू आर लिविंग अस, although you are wasting your time in my class, he said. Okay, also he said that he was sorry for that Einstein was leaving. और वैसे भी वो वहाँ पर स्कूल में आकर उसका टाइम ही ख़राब कर रहे थे, टाइम ही वो वेस्ट कर रहे थे. It's almost the only class where I am not wasting my time, said Albert. But how did you know I am leaving, sir? ओके तो उसने कहा कि इट्स ऑलमोस्ट ओनली क्लास, कि सर मैं पूरे क्लास में पूरा उसका टाइम ही वेस्ट हो रहा था. देन ऑल्सो आस्क्ड दैट हाउ कैन ही नो दैट ही इज लिविंग द स्कूल. यू वुडंट हैव आस्क्ड मी फॉर दिस रेफरेंस अदरवाइज. सो मैथमेटिक्स टीचर हैड सेड दैट कि अदरवाइज वो उससे ये रेफरेंस लेटर मांगते नहीं. ही वुडंट आस्क फॉर द रेफरेंस लेटर. I thought you would wonder. There's nothing to wonder about, Einstein. I knew you were going to leave before you knew yourself. So Mr. Koch was confident that Einstein will leave the school. कि वो बिफोर आइंस्टाइन की मतलब आइंस्टाइन जाने उससे पहले उसको पता था कि ये स्कूल जो है उसको छोड़ देगा. एल्बर्ट वॉज पजल्ड. जब मिस्टर कोच ने कहा कि उसको ऑलरेडी पता था कि वो स्कूल छोड़ देगा, एट दिस एल्बर्ट वॉज पजल्ड. ही वॉज कन्फ्यूज्ड. व्हाट डिड द टीचर मीन, कि टीचर का मतलब क्या है. ही शोन फाइंड आउट. अब उसको जल्दी पता चल गया. हाउ? बिफोर ही हैड अ चांस टू आस्क फॉर एन इंटरव्यू विथ द हेड टीचर, ही वॉज समन्ड मीन्स कॉल्ड टू द हेड्स रूम. Okay, so he has to go to the head teacher to meet the head teacher. Before he went there, or before he go, पहले उसको जाने से पहले उसको वहाँ से बुलावा आ गया. Well, it saves me the trouble of having to wait an hour or two outside, he thought. So it was good for him. अगर वो सामने से मिलने जाते, so he has to wait 1 hour or maybe 2 hour. But he was summoned directly from the headroom. तो उसके लिए खुद को सामने से बुलावा था. तो he can save his time, right? Waiting करना बाहर और उसका टाइम जो है वो बच जाएगा क्योंकि सामने से ही बुलावा आ गया. He hardly bothered means worried, to wonder why he had been sent for means called for, कि वो इतनी चिंता नहीं कर रहे थे कि क्यों उसको बुलावा भेजा गया. But vaguely supposed he was to be punished again for bad work and laziness. Well, he had finished with punishment. Okay, तो यहाँ पर सोच रहे कि अच्छा ठीक है, पनिशमेंट के साथ ही वो फिनिश करेंगे. I'm not going to punish you, the head teacher said. Okay, to Albert's surprise. When Albert was surprised at that time, when he was surprised, to which head teacher had said that he was not going to punish him. Your work is terrible and I am not prepared to have you here any longer. Einstein, I want you to leave the school now. Okay, so teacher had said that he was not doing well study well, and his study was terrible, and that is why the teacher had decided कि उसको रेजिग्नेशन वहाँ से लेना पड़ेगा, मतलब कि वो स्कूल उसको छोड़ना पड़ेगा, एक्सपेल किया जाएगा. He has to leave the school. Leave school now, repeated Albert, dazed. He was dazed. थोड़ा वो हका बका रह गया कि स्कूल छोड़नी पड़ेगी. That is what I said. टीचर ने कहा कि yes, वही तो उसने कहा कि he has to leave the school. You mean, said Albert, that I am to expelled, कि मुझे स्कूल से expelled किया गया, निकाला गया. You can take it that way if you wish. जब आइंस्टाइन ने कहा कि मुझे निकाला गया, तो टीचर ने कहा कि हाँ तुम इस तरह से ले सकती हो. द हेड टीचर वॉज नॉट मिनिंसिंग वर्ड मीन्स स्पीक प्लेंटी. द सिंपलेस्ट थिंग विल बी फॉर यू टू गो ऑफ योर ओन accord and then the question will not arise. So teacher had said that he can go from there on his own accord, मतलब अपनी ही पसंदगी के अनुसार वो यहाँ से निकल जाए, राइट? ऐसा वो मान ले. Okay, then the question will not arise. But said Albert, what crime have I committed? So here he was not agree कि उसके साथ वो सहमत ही नहीं था कि उसको क्यों निकाला गया. He wanted to know the reason. Then he asked that what crime he had done or he had committed. Your presence in the classroom makes it impossible for the teacher to teach and for the other pupils to learn. So to which head teacher had said that his presence means Einstein's presence. When he is present in class, teacher cannot teach the other student very well, and the other student also not learn very well. When Einstein present in the class, you refuse to learn. Okay, so जब हिस्ट्री का था तब उसने रिफ्यूज कर दिया था कि उसने एजुकेशन के बारे में कहा था कि आइडिया होना चाहिए कि वो रट्टा जो मगअप करते हैं ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. जो फैक्ट है तो क्यों है उसके बारे में जानना चाहिए, ना कि वो कब हुआ और कैसे हुआ. यू आर इन कंस्टेंट रिबेलियन मीन्स ऑपोजिट, एंड नो सीरियस वर्क कैन बी डन वेल यू आर देयर. सो इन दिस वे देर इज नो सीरियस स्टडी इन द क्लासरूम व्हेन आइंस्टाइन प्रेजेंट देयर. एल्बर्ट फेल्ट मेडिकल certificate almost burning a hole in his pocket, and as there was a medical certificate in his pocket, right? तो वो तो मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट लेकर ऑलरेडी आ गए थे. ही वॉन्टेड टू लीव द स्कूल, यहाँ से सामने ही उसको एक्सपेल किया गया. सो ही थॉट दैट देर इज़ अ बर्निंग होल इन हिज पॉकेट. I was going to leave anyway, he said. Okay, so he said that he was going to leave that school. Then we are in agreement at least, Einstein. The head said. So head said that there is an agreement, at least कि agreement हो गया कि वो यहाँ से जा रहा है. For a moment, Albert was tempted to tell the man what he thought of him and of his school. So here, Albert जो है वो ऐसा सोचते, टेम्पटेड मतलब लालच हो गई कि उसको बता दे कि उसके बारे में वो क्या सोचता है. What he has thought about that had a teacher and about that school. Then he stopped himself, but he could stop himself. फिर अपने आप को वो stop करते कि नहीं बताना है. Without another word, holding his head high, he stalked out. He moved out. Shut the door after you, shouted the head. Albert ignored him. तो Albert जो है वो डोर को शट नहीं करते. He ignored the head's instruction. He walked straight on out of the school where he had spent 5 miserable years, without turning his head to give it a last look. When he left the school in which he had spent 5 years, but at last he didn't care to look, at least to give a glimpse or give a view to it. कि इतनी भी केयर नहीं की कि वो स्कूल को जस्ट एक ग्लिम्स या व्यू की एज अ व्यू उसको देखे. ही डिडंट टर्न हीज हेड. उसने अपना हेड जो है वो भी टर्न नहीं किया. ही कुड नॉट थिंक ऑफ एनी वन ही वॉन्टेड टू से गुड बाय टू. ओके, सो नो वन वॉज देयर. और इवन ऐसा कुछ मैटर भी नहीं था कि वो स्कूल को भी गुड बाय कहे या फिर किसी और को भी गुड बाय कहे. Indeed, Yuri was almost the only person in Munich he felt like seeing before he left the town he had come to hate almost as much as the school. So he hated the school and he hated the place Munich. तो Munich को भी इतना ही वो हेट करता था जितना वो स्कूल को करता था. Only one person is there, okay, who was Yuri. So only one person was there to meet him. Okay, तो सिर्फ उसको ऐसा लगता था. Only one person in Munich that he felt to meet him. Elsa was back in Berlin. So Elsa already back in Berlin, and he had no other real friends in Munich. Goodbye and good luck, said Yuri when he left. So Yuri had said goodbye and good luck to Einstein. You are going to a wonderful country. I hope you will be happier there. So these are the words spoken by Yuri कि एक अच्छी वंडरफुल कंट्री में वो जा रहा है और वो वहाँ पर हैप्पी रहेगा. ओके, ये जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2, 3 you have to write in your homework book. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.